This data set shows the median household income for the 10 states I selected to compare. You might wonder how this relates to foreclosures, but my later visualizations will answer that question and show the relationships between unemployment, household income, and foreclosures for those 10 states. I'm interested in how one thing affects another, so I thought it would be interesting to find correlations between foreclosures, income, and unemployment. This can be used on a global scale to analyze and determine whether or not these levels for different nations will be high or low. This chart from Google shows the unemployment rates for the 10 states that I selected. As you will see, the states with the higher unemployment levels also have higher foreclosure rates. This chart shows the foreclosure rates of the 10 states I've chosen to compare. As compared to the previous chart, you can see that the states that had the highest unemployment, California, Florida, states like that, also have the highest foreclosure rate. This chart shows the population of the 10 states, which is the linkage between the foreclosure rate and the unemployment rate. When the population's high, those two things will also be high. This chart shows the unemployment rate and mortgage delinquency rates for those 10 states. The mortgage delinquency rate is in red and the unemployment rate is in blue. So when you look at a state's unemployment, income, and foreclosures, it's obvious that population can be a predictor of these things. This very basic analysis can be used on a global scale to predict if unemployment, foreclosures, and income will be low or high by looking at population. Of course, this is not always accurate and is only a guess, but it can give a ballpark estimate of levels of the three things.